This is a pretty interesting question on quadratic equation. Let's see what this says. The shop sells samosas in boxes of different sizes. The samosas are priced at 2 rupees per samosa for up to 200 rupees. For every additional 20 samosas, the price of the whole lot goes down by 10 paise per samosa. What should be the minimum size of the box that would minimize the revenue? So let's see what the revenue function looks like. So at 200 samosas, the price is 2. So your revenue will be 400 rupees. At 220 samosas, your price goes down by 10 paise. So it will be 2 minus 1.9, 0.1. Right. So that will be 440 minus 22. Right. So that will be 418 rupees. Right. And it keeps on happening. For the next one, 240, it will be 2 minus 0.2, 2 lots. That will be 480 minus 2 into 0.2 will be 0.2. This will be 48. That will be 432 and so on. As you can see, the rise is not steady. It actually is going down. So your function will go something like this. Right. After a point of time, it will start dropping. You need to find the maximum point. Right. Now let's see what happens. Now beyond the first 200 samosas, right, my price changes as a multiple of 20. So slots of 20, n slots of 20. Now ideally you should have gotten 2 rupees extra per samosa, right? But because of the lot increase, right, your price per samosa goes down by 10 paise. So for each lot it will go down by 10 paise. So this is your loss, and this loss will be affected across the entire set, not only on the additional 20 samosas but on the initial 200 as well. So it will affect 200 plus the additional lot of 20 samosas, right? Right. So incremental revenue should be 0 at the maximum point. So this value should be 0. Let's calculate this. So we get 40n minus 20n minus 2n square should be equal to 0. If you rewrite this, you get 2n square minus 20 should be 0, or n square minus 20n minus 10n should be 0. Now maximum of this will happen at minus b by 2a. So 10 by 2 at 5, at n is equal to 5. So 5 lots of 20 samosas each, which means 100 additional samosas. 100 additional samosas over 200 is 300 samosas. So at 300 samosas, you'll get the maximum revenue. On either side, it will fall down. There are two things to remember. One is to create this incremental revenue function, which is how we create it. And second is the price changes as a multiple of lots of 20, right? You have multiple lots of 20, right? So that finishes this question.